Today, I'd like to showcase a feature in SOAR called Wayfinder, a keyboard-friendly feature that allows users to navigate the platform more smoothly and quickly. At the top menu bar of the home page, there are two new icons on the top right. There is Show Keyboard Shortcuts and Navigate with Wayfinder. Let's start with the keyboard shortcuts. If you click on the icon, there is a modal showing a list of keyboard shortcuts. These shortcuts allow users to jump directly to different areas within SOAR. So for example, Shift-E takes you to Events, Shift-P opens Playbooks, Shift-U brings you to User Settings, and Shift-H takes you back to the home page. Now let's explore Wayfinder. If you click on this icon, it'll open up a Wayfinder. Alternatively, pressing a dot key will also open up this feature. In this search bar, there are pages and places users can go to within SOAR. And as you start typing, Wayfinder will display relevant destinations. For example, typing events shows a list of events with contextual information like status and severity. And you can click on a specific event as well. To view tasks that need to be completed, you can also search incomplete, where you'll be able to see incomplete tasks.